Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Welcome to Zisodel TV, where you can
what I will advise Nigerians is that
it breaking news. Yes,
we have gone all through the problems of development. You know, from the assassination of the Prime Minister, the Premier, and some senior military officers. And you know the consequences of that. So Nigeria went through everything, really. We fought a civil war for 30 years. I thank God I was able to survive it. I walked from Makadi to the end of Nigeria because every conceivable culvert and bridge were blown because there is the technology, there is the explosive from Enugu mines and so on. So really, I went through the whole thing. And as I said, part of the qualification, I was in detention too for more than 3¼ years. So really, I think Nigerians should try and keep the country together. We are lucky, we have resources, we have the land. Let us go farming. Let us make sure we can feed ourselves. It's very, very important. And I really recommend that the governments, including the state government, invest more in farming. And with technology, and now with technology, you don't need to have the physical position of cows and flowers and so on. One tractor can serve a whole district and so on and so forth. So with technology, I think we should be able to produce more food and feed our people, and then even export. The efforts made by respective governments in trying to make sure that we have grains reserve so that if there is failure in the rainy season, we can still feed ourselves. So I think Nigeria, we are very lucky. We have the land, we have the people, and we have the resources. And I hope we will leave a better country for our children and grandchildren. Well, thank you very much.